What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video. Hey, since that last video, it's only been a week since I picked up this camera, so I'm getting better, guys. But I am getting straight into the video, guys. Look at what we picked up today. We picked up a Valvetronic X pipe for a great deal. I couldn't pass it up on it. So now you guys know I've been running the Borla ATAC axleback mufflers, but now it's time to wake this baby up and delete the cats. I don't know what this is, but looks like, I don't know, this guy told me it was like, I guess this one Valvetronic was probably getting up and coming. They made this V1 X pipe, now they have a V2. They made this V1 X pipe and I guess it's one of 30. It's only 30 been made. I don't know how true that is, but I don't care. Picked it up for a deal, gonna slap it on the car. It's gonna wake this baby up, so let's get started. I already got the car jacked up because that takes the longest. It's time to take this stock X pipe out and cats and leave these Borla puppies on. So let's get to it, y'all. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the stock one out. It is pretty easy. Just these brackets, this bracket, which is 4 bolts. Loosen up these clamps, which is 2 bolts. Loosen up these 2 clamps, which is another 2 bolts. And then these 2 bolts on each side. Put some PV blaster. It's cake. So now I'm just transferring over the O2 sensors. As you can see, I already took that one out. Putting it on this side. So yeah, I'm just gonna transfer over the O2 sensors and then throw this one on. Bro, can you just appreciate this? Because you can never really do this because, for example, the upper, or whatever you want to call them, the connectors are always big, so you cannot fit this part to get in here. You only can fit this part, and it's always harder to loosen them up with this. But the back ones, bro, the connector is small enough where you could stick this through and get it loose. And I like doing it like this because you can use like the 2 wrench trick for more leverage. So it's just a lot easier, but I'm gonna have to figure it out this one. Probably put some PV blaster and loosen it up real quick. I just don't want to strip them, that's all. But like I said, I'm gonna transfer everything over, guys. Throw it in the car. I'm gonna start her up. Catch you guys later. Guys, it is nighttime now. And I am just now finishing. You know how it is. Probably when you see these 2 together, you know that had to do with a lot of stuff, but we finally got it in now. You know, hour job turns to a 3-hour job all the time. So Borla ATAC mufflers with the Valvetronic X pipe. And I'm gonna set the camera down and give you guys the first startup, and it's a cold start. It's pretty much a cold start. I just turned the car on here to putting it in there and it was like 2 seconds, so it's pretty much a cold start. Let me set it up and let me get this thing started. That thing was loud. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, first startup was extremely loud. Stupid loud. But now that I got the full exhaust on, I can now install a tune because I got this X pipe, which is going to bring me an exhaust code, and I mean O2 sensor code, and I got these seats, remember? So I have an airbag light on, so I know as soon as I start driving, that service engine light's gonna come on. Alright guys, that wraps today's video. I'll pick it up tomorrow with the same video. I got some more things to take care of with this car. Like those tires, as you can see, so I can get better fitment. But I'll pick it up later. I'll see you guys later. Deuce. Alright guys, as you can see, it is a new day and I took care of those tires. I didn't record anything, but I got the tires in the daily. As you can see, I got no wheels on. I was able to swap all 4 tires, so now I got the correct size. I don't know what size the previous owner decided to put on the car before me, but now I got 275s in the rear and 255s in the front, so it should fill this wheel well, pretty well, and it should sit to the quarter panel and fender pretty well. So let me get that unloaded and mounted, and I'll show you guys how it looks once I lower the car. Alright, I'm about to lower it. Let's see where this tire sits, guys. Come on, keep going. I know I gotta get coils eventually, but oh yes, once I get coils, that's gonna sit perfect. 255s up front. Perfect, bro. Look at that.